Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what version of Python is running on our script. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically, to run this, you need to open your command prompt, that is your CMD. So you just need to search in for command prompt and you would get this in your search section and you simply need to open it. I have already kept it open. And now all I need to do is type Python right over here. And if I apply Python, then Python compiler basically opens and now I can write Python code. So now I need to import system sys, and now after that I need to just say system dot version, and it will simply tell me the version, that's Python 3.7.0. Another fun fact is, as soon as you just write in the keyword Python and the Python compiler starts, you can see right over here it says Python 3.7.0. Another simple method of checking the version on which Python compiler is running is by using the Python dash dash version method. So to do that, you need to simply just type Python dash dash version version, and it will simply display the Python version, that is Python 3.7.0. So that's it from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.